we have broken ground of what is going to turn out to be an international comprehensive school at Nyamira, which is going to be initially a 3-story building and eventually a 4-story building that will be containing 6 learning classes in every floor. And then we will put on the top of it the 4th floor that will be the administration block for all teachers and administrators. We conceived this idea. It is sponsored by the national government CDF for West Mugirango constituency, and it will be co-funded by the national budget. At the end of the day, we want to support excellent foundation in our children to be able to roll out of this place to compete internationally. And going forward, I am urging parents to choose this International Learning Center as the place to send their children. I am doing this initially for this particular Nyamira Primary, but for reasons that we will be putting ultra-modern laboratories and workshops. We want this to be a common user science learning facility where we shall also be live streaming teaching for those of my schools that are not able to have laboratories in good time. So that this is going to be a solution to the CBC learning program, and I do not want to lose any child and for any learner to lose an opportunity to get the best teaching facility, the best teaching resources, and pray that this place will be rolling out the top brains, not only in the country, but in the world. Estimate for the NGCDF is 49 million shillings. I will be co-funded by the national budgets to the tune of 25 million. So at the end of the day, I am seeing close to 90 million shillings going to be sunk in this institution, which will include making or construction of a micro stadium that is going to serve not only the learners within the Nyamira group of schools, but it will also be a short-term solution of the stadium that we are lacking within Nyamira County. I will mobilize resources from alumni of these particular schools, and I urge all development-minded people to focus on doing something for this institution, which is going to be a center of excellence. Today is not only for capitation. Truth be told, is as a country, we need to be truthful. That once the Finance Bill 2024 was not passed, the government had no authority to collect taxes and had no authority to spend. And therefore, the delay for capitation is equally the delay in NGCDF. We are only lucky that based on the past tax regimes, the government is able to balance its expenditure and remit a proportion of NGCDF support to constituencies. No child will be sent home for lack of school fees. In my constituency, our NGCDF bursary committee is going to support every child from Form 2 up to tertiary institutions. And that is going to depend on the number of applicants, because it is going to be an equal distribution for all applicants, save for those who are on full scholarship for reason that they are orphans or come from a desperate background. I urge governors to be serious and go out of their way and do the CBC rather the ECD classes and the appropriate infrastructure. Because if with 100 million of CDF, we can do this kind of work, what about these billions of shillings which are remitted to county governments? I mean, Kenyans, yeah? It's time we became serious because this money is ours, belongs to our people, and let us be honest in the way we have it expended.